Okay, we don't see... ליקי, בואי לכאן. עוד קצת. יופי. לאט קצת, לא כל כך קרוב אחת לשנייה. שנייה, שיהיה לכם ספייס קצת לא, ליקי בסדר, תשארי איפה שאת. אבל הנטע, אני לא רואה אותך, זוזי לשם. לא, עוד לא, את לא בפריים. עוד קצת, צעד אליי. מצוין. איזה יופי. ידיים. לחבוק את השמיים. Push the monkey's face. Cha. 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 Rina is looking for us. Cha. Embrace this. Rina! Woo! מילקי נרגשת. נראה. איך היא מלווה אותה. יואו! הורסת. צ'ה. רינה, בדיוק איפה שאת שם את עומדת. לב גדול ויפה. Love heart. Inhale up, exhale down. Again. It's a genie. Roll back. cross, open, down. Inhale, exhale, letting go. מרפק למעלה, פותח את הריאות שאיפה, מרפק שוקע, הריאות מתרוקנות. סייקליקל. לשבת. שתי ידיים. 8. 8 אנכי. Enjoy the flow. Create a flow. Enjoy the flow. The joy of the flow. Cha, 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 cha. Flip it. The joy of a slow flow. שתי ידיים. רכבת הרים. roller coaster. Smaller. This motion is named Hawk Walk Through the Forest, which means, first of all, it's dark. Secondly, it's crowded with trees, Thirdly, the hawk don't walk. The translators, it flies. So it sits on a bench and he sees something. Or she saw something. Or he saw she, or she saw he. But then they left the branch and they flew through the trees. That's the lesson. How they flew, the upper hand comes here, exactly here. Why here? Because if this is the same height as your shoulder, and this is the same height of your forehead, and this is twisted out, you have protection for your head. And this one, wow! Or with a closed fist, wow! Or both with closed fist, boom! It's very, very decisive motion, boom, of defense and attack. Walk through the forest. Wow! Other way. Hawk walk through the forest. Shingich 1. We go 45 degrees this way. Upper hand protect. Lower hand, boom. Back. This way. Upper hand protect. Lower hand, boom. Back. Let's take 3 steps back so we can walk zigzag. We're going this way. Left hand straight. Upper hand protect. Boom. We throw our body into the motion like the hawk throws himself into the forest. Boom. Back. Think of the hawk standing there, or she, or he saw she. And they want to go straight towards the destination. Destination. Wow. No hesitation. On the way to destination. No hesitation towards the destination. Boom. Okay, back to the beginning. Okay, you had enough of the hawk. I understand. I see. I don't blame you. It's you had enough of the hawk, no? Let's choose another animal. In the kingdom of the lion, plays with the bull. Playful lion. Cha, 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 cha. Cha and slow down. Sha, 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 and slow and stop. Now we'll walk with the lion, meaning together with this motion there will be and chicken leg. Turn around and chicken leg. So, oh, you're with me, I was about to say. You're with me. Right hand and right foot go out together. Left and left. And stop. Let go of your hip joints. Look at your rising hand. Slow down. Put your fingers cutting through the air. Follow your eyes. Your hand with your eyes. Hand to eye connection. Nerve to muscle. עוד מעט אנחנו באימון. Listen to the music of the mountain. Touch wood. Touch all the wood. And the rain. The beauty. The fresh air. See the beauty in the fresh air. יהיו הבועיות בריאות. להיות עם הבועיות. בועיות או לא להיות? בועיות או לא להיות? בוקר החרוזים קופצים, ואתם רוקדים. Really fun to go from fast to slow. All of a sudden, the brain is time to analyze, translate to sensory system. Hearing, seeing, being. That's the bring it in. Only. Turn it from air to spirit, human spirit. Goes from being molecules flying around us into a human body. Suck it in, like further back. And they turn into, they change roles. From being with all their friends, all of a sudden this group has entered the human body. 37 degrees, whoa, big difference in temperature to the outside. The Chinese call it the triple burner. We have 3 energy sources. The triple burner that burns inside us, brings us to 37 degrees. When we're dead, within an hour, we'll be 14, 16, like this weather. When we're alive, the triple burner hits up those molecules of air, turn them into living power, living force, source of life. Without you guys, can't survive. We must be faithful to the particles, to the molecules, straight into our bu'iyot. Bu'iyot barer, kultut, molecules, מפרקות, חמצן, צד אחד, ועוד כל מיני agents אחרים. חמצן, נגיד החוץ, and out, like a chimney. So you can take more of this good stuff. With a deep inhalation. Center. Looking for the moon in the sea. Place the moon in the heavens while you sink down. Look at the moon up above. יש לנו חור for moon. Hole in the moon. See the whole of the moon. Opening the hip joints. העית הוא עט, מרפק גבוה, מרפק שוקע. So change. First step. ישר, פתוח. לא 90, עוד יותר, קצת מה-90. 135. We're going the opposite now. Not hawk, we change to eagle. The height. הוא הרבה יותר כבד מההוק, מהנץ. הוא יורד כאן עם הקלוז, עם כל משקל הגוף, גולש, פשוט גולש מרגל קדמית לרגל אחורית, מהיפ ג'וינט זה דרך רצפת האגן להיפ ג'וינט זה. תרגיש את הגלישה. internal. Sinking down. גלישה, צד שני. forward, גלישה. on the way back, גלישה. Enough. Thank you, eagle. Up to the crane. We're flying today. From hawk to eagle to white crane. Spread wings. Spread your wings, you white crane. Flash your wings, you white crane. Open your chest, you white crane. Close your body, white crane. Spread wings. Close the body and 2 steps in one, meaning I move forward and turn at the same time. 1 and 2, all in one. Glisha. Remember the glisha. Closing the body during the glisha. And turn. Open and turn. Open and close. Stand and flow. Stand. Power stance. Empty foot at the front. Balance. Nice arch in your left foot. Nice arch in your right hand. Nice arch in your left hand. Nice arch in the right foot. All these arches coming together. One motion. Cha. Hi, darling. Turn around, everybody. Look this way. A video or freeze frame? No, let's do video. Yes, sit מלכיית. You know what? היא איפה שאת רוצה, אני לא אומר לך להיות. היא בוחרת.
כן.
כל פעם היא בוחרת מישהי אחת. And the year 64, 64. Okay, are you ready? Get ready, everyone. Get ready, Okay, כולם במקום. 3, 2, 1. Embrace the sky. Roll there. White trains, straight wings. Good thing we did the rehearsal. Okay, from white crane to eagle. From the eagle this way. Out. Eagle. Out. From the eagle to the hole. Walk to the forest. From the hawk back to the white crane. From the white crane. Let's go to the sparrow. Hold the sparrow's wings. Let's close this video.
Just a second.
Okay.
Enjoy.
We'll continue with the sparrow. תודה רבה.
And you?
עשית תמונת סטילסטר? יופי, תודה. אלופה. Okay, אז white crane this way. לשם, 45 degrees. תודה רבה. היי! הנה האיש והאגדה. אהלן. תודה, תודה. אני לומד ממך,
יש לך...
זה גבורה, זה בימינו, זו עבודה שהפכה להיות מלודית, שרים, אבל עושה את זה באהבה, עושה את זה באוכל, של הרבה דברים. Cool down. Hi Ellie, sorry for the interruption. There was some photo session for the birthday. אוקיי, ממשיכים. אנחנו בקול דאון, כשמו כן הוא. We must cool down. Ha! What do you do in cool down? You cool down. How? Oh, but how? How do you do? Say a big how on the way down. How? You know, Chinese most affectionate word is haola. It starts with how. In English, it's a word of questioning. How? Pli'a, sfat pli'a. How? How do you do? How do you do? So how down? How, long how. Deep inhalation, long how. וואו בסוף, כמו בגיטרה החשמלית, וואו וואו, וואו. Why do I make the sound? Because it creates vibration. Vibration, תדר, תדר מביא אותנו לגלי אלפא, לגלי, אנחנו, voice guides the intention, takes you into alpha waves. So don't question, do not doubt, just follow the Zen saying, do not put doubt. Say how and sink down. How. Find the pulse, the tether, the inner vibration of your body. You can bring the woo, the closing earlier. You turn the how to 3 wows. That's even bigger. How to 3 wows. Ready? Ready? Deep inhalation. That's good stuff. עוד אחד. One how, 5 wows. We're getting better. How wow is life can be. Okay. You ask how, you get wow. One how, as many wows as we can. Take a deep inhalation. וואו, בכל פעם שבאים להתאמן. אם האימון הוא לא וואו, so how? יפה, rhymes. I love rhymes. אלי! Are you with us? הנה הוא מנופף, בואו נעשה לו שלום, איזה חמוד. Eli, Eli, Eli. All right, back to cool down. The wave. Very mellow and relaxing wave. Deep inhalation. Long exhale. Shift your body first. Then bring the arms and together. Shift the body with the arms. Center line first. Yeah, we did a lot of 8s today. 88, 888. 8,000, etc., many. Infinity. Infinity above to infinity below. Grasp the concept of infinity, adapt it, touch it, be it, feel it. You are part of it. You are a co-creator of infinity. At this moment, and also after life. גם אבק הוא agent of infinity. Dust to dust. יד שנייה. קטן. פוקוס. זו תנועה יפה. זאת יורדת, זאת עולה. זאת יורדת, זאת עולה. שום, שע, שום, שע, שום, שע, שום, שע, שום, שע, שום, שע, שום, lots of gratitude. Open yourself to infinite gratitude. That's something. Infinite gratitude. Wow. That's a wow, agree? Stimot? Infinite gratitude? Yo! It's wow and yo and how together. With gravity and with gratitude, we're moving to love and kindness. Let's really get started. Loving kindness. It's a combination of infinite gratitude and infinite loving kindness. Wow. It's a dynamic duo. But wait, there is more. Infinite compassion. That's the key. Infinite compassion. Look, Madame. תודה לכם שבאתם. שמעתם. גם קצת קודם מלפי. אבל ביומן פריים. תודה. תודה אלי, אוהב אותך. תודה רבה, תודה רבה. בואי, תגידי, בואי. הנה, ראיתם? יש לה קולר חדש, ויש פעמיים מילקי, גם פה וגם פה. אז הכוכבת, קראו לה אימפרטריסה. וברגע שהמזון שהיא אכלה מפנה את הגוף, מפנה את המזון, לא נשאר כדי שרינה תדרוך, נוסף לשקית ונשלח לה. נכון מילקי? בואו נגיד שבת שלום לאלי, בנימה אופטימית זאת.
נגיד שבת שלום ויום הולדת שמח יקירי.
תודה.
Nothing but the very best.
כל טוב.
תודה רבה, מאוד נהניתי היום.
תודה, גם אני. ביי.
שיהיה לך יום נפלא.
תודה ושבת שלום.
שבת שלום.